names are Susan Lubogo. I come from Uganda. I'm one of the private secretaries of the President of the Republic of Uganda. I work with the State House. I also have a secondment to Operation Wealth Creation. Operation Wealth Creation is an organization in Uganda which is the focal point to coordinate all the farmers, to coordinate the agricultural activities, and most of the MDAs in government to ensure that the people come out of poverty. So at Operation Wealth Creation, we are coordinating a lot of things, including household agricultural income, machinery to the farmers, and those are some of the reasons why we came, because we needed to see how we can connect our farmers, the end users, with the products of Egypt, because we are trying to look for the quality products around the globe. The Sahara Hosted Buyers Program is an exciting program because it has given an opportunity to so many people. We have met here so many people, but it has given an opportunity to us to come and see what Egypt is of, other companies from other countries. We have interacted a lot. I only see there was a challenge that we needed to have more of us, government people from different government entities, like for example other countries, because we are the policymakers. If we don't make a policy, then the last person who is supposed to benefit from this program may not benefit from it. So I think in the future we shall need to coordinate with the people who have been here to expand the numbers and the categories, because these people, when they come, we don't just go back as we've come. We go back and also take the message to the government, to the people we are representing, to the local person who really should be the beneficiary of these very good programs. But we are really excited and would like to thank the organizers, because it has been really amazing. Yesterday and today we went back very tired, but we couldn't stop meeting people. We hoped we would continue, but because of time we had to go back home. Next time you give us maybe 5 days. Yeah, I think we did, because at first we didn't know which people exactly. We had started meetings, but the people were coming because everybody needed to meet us. We needed to meet specific people, but the need for meeting people from Uganda, especially us from government, from different organizations, kept on growing. So we have even hit the target, but even with surplus. Because we met the people we were supposed to meet, we have even scheduled, actually we have extended our stay for a night, because there are people at their companies that need us to go and visit them at their companies. Some people want to have another meeting with us with their bosses, so we had to extend the stay so that we can finish the agreement with them, because there are certain things we are trying to do with them so that we concretize them. So we have extended. We have met those people. We have also met other people we didn't expect to meet because they were not in our target. But we later realized that we need them, because you know the agriculture chain is like a loop. You start from this end, but you have to complete almost at the same end. So if you have gaps in the middle, you may not complete the whole loop. So we realized that there are certain people you have invited here. I think it was even strategic, and they have been useful to us, because there are certain things we don't use back home. But we felt that maybe we just didn't know that they do exist, or we just didn't know who to contact. But now we have the contacts, we have researched them very well, and I think by tomorrow, because we have other meetings, we have 5 meetings, very important meetings, by the way, Allah. These meetings are going to make Uganda and Egypt a different partnership. Yeah, the opportunities are many, because there's something that we need to realize, first of all, as Africa. Many of the countries, including Egypt, which are able to produce equipment and materials that others can use, should realize that Africa, for example, I come from Africa. Africa right now is like a supermarket. Everybody should take a product there, and other people who cannot reach where the product is can come and buy. Like for example, Uganda, where I come from, we are a landlocked country. But right now as we speak, we are the supermarket of East Africa. When a product is in Uganda, you will get Sudan, Congo, Rwanda, Tanzania, Kenya buying from us. Because the African market is wide, it's a virgin market. Like some of these technologies and equipments which are new, you find that Africa is a virgin market. You need to introduce these equipments to them, the new technologies, so that you get a wider market. And I think the companies which have exhibited today have gotten a lot of challenges. The biggest challenge is to find a way of getting to Uganda. I can say something like, for the companies we have interacted with, we have already connected them to our embassies, so that getting a visa to come to Uganda should be as easy as possible, so that we need them like yesterday. Because some of the things, like for example, if I talk about storage, Uganda produces a lot, but we are not able to sustain the post-harvest handling because we don't have storage. Completely we don't have. Even if we have a market of exporting, we cannot be able to export and sustain the market because the products die when they are still even just harvested. Now, if you talk about water for irrigation, everybody knows that River Nile comes from Uganda. But Egypt is producing more than Uganda where the River Nile comes from, because we cannot tap that water and use it to irrigate. So we have seen here so many equipments which are really making us rethink that this is what we should have done earlier. Good enough, we have been able to talk to some companies who are willing to come and even install plants of manufacturing the same products just near us in Uganda. And I think it will be a very good, that's why I'm saying that the partnership between us and Egypt is going to grow even stronger. Thank you so much.